Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we fitted an Autowatch Ghost 2 to a 2017 Ford Edge. Customers a bit paranoid about this particular key due to relay attacks, so we fitted this system. So how the system works, if someone was to grab this key, jump in and try and start it, this is what would happen. So I'm going to put my foot on the brake, try and start it. Won't even start, okay? So ignition on, try and start it, it won't even start, okay? So every time now that the customer jumps in the vehicle, he basically turns the ignition on, goes through his standard push sequence. On here we've done something very, very basic. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You'll get the indicators flash as confirmation. There you go, and now you can start the vehicle. There you go, really, really clever, really, really straightforward. Also, if the customer wanted to take it for a service and he wants to put it in value mode, this is also very straightforward. And the way he would do that is hit the start button on, insert his disarm sequence, so 1, 2, 3, 4, double flash from the indicators. There you go, and then hit the cancel button on the cruise control 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 flashes will follow. There you go, that's now in valet mode. So when it's in valet mode, what they can do, they can move it around, start it, stop it. They can drive it. As long as they don't go over 30 mile an hour for 15 minutes solid, then it won't jump out of valet mode. If they were to do, say, 80 mile an hour for 12 minutes and stop, it would be fine. But if they've done 32 mile an hour, 15 minutes and 10 seconds, then the indicators will flash. And when they then turn it off, they won't be able to start it. So now it's in valet mode. So let's just start it now, foot on the brake. There you go, vehicle starts, no problem. Okay. When you get the vehicle back, to take it out of value mode, really simple. Just ignition on and just insert your code. So ignition on, 1, 2, 3, 4, double flash. There you go. It's now out of value mode. Okay. Also, if you wanted to change the code on this, it's very, very straightforward. So on this particular car, we've only got these buttons here. So I'm just going to change it from this one here to here. So the way you do that is, first of all, turn the ignition on, disarm the system, I pass authorization. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Get your double flash. There you go. Foot down on the accelerator. Repeat the same code again. 1, 2, 3, 4. When the indicators start to flash, let go. We're now in learn mode. So now, every time I hit one of these buttons, it will give me a flash. And if it gives me a flash, it means it's on the network and I can use it. So I'm going to do something basic. So I'm going to tap this 4 times. I'm going to get a flash each time I tap it. Then I'm going to get 3 flashes. I'm then going to repeat that again, get 2 flashes, and the code will be learnt. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait for 3 flashes. And repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 flashes, code is now learnt. So if I turn off the ignition, leave it for about 10 seconds, and let's just try the new code. Also, if you were to forget the code, on this card there is a secret disarm procedure and explains how to go through a procedure here. That should never really happen. The only thing I warn you is, obviously, when the steering wheel's upside down, you're going to get a bit confused at the petrol station, which I've had with some customers. Right, let's just turn the ignition on. Let's just try the old code. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Nothing. So ignition off. Give it about 10 seconds. Let's try the new code now. So ignition on. New code. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double flash. There you go. Start the vehicle. Okay. Really clever. Really, really straightforward. Hope you found this quick video helpful. As I said, my name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. The vehicle is a Ford Edge 2017 with proximity key. If you want to call me, the number to me is 028906 0478, 028906 0478. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.